Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to block someone on Messenger web using your PC. With the latest updates from Facebook, the process has become more user-friendly, making it easier to control your online interactions. Whether you're dealing with unwanted messages or just need a break from someone, blocking them is just a few clicks away. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open your account. Make sure you're logged into Messenger web on your PC. Step 2. Open a conversation with the person you want to block and click the 3 dots in the top right corner of the chat window. Step 3. Now click on Privacy and Support, then click Block. Step 4. You'll see 2 options: Block messages and calls or Block on Facebook. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Step 5. Finally, click Block to confirm your decision. And just like that, you've successfully blocked someone on Messenger. It's really that straightforward. Remember, blocking someone not only prevents them from messaging you, but can also offer you peace of mind when it comes to your social interactions online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.